Hello friends, welcome to my channel Picture Fan. Today we are going to learn how to change the color of any dress in Photoshop. This one is very easy tutorial, just follow the step and you can learn everything. So I already select this one by using quick selection tool, or you can also use pin tool. So I already select this one, you can see that. Okay, so just duplicate this one. So duplicate this one and hide this layer, select this jacket and go to filter, select blower, select gaseous blower, okay, this one is perfect. Convert this one into a smart object, go to filter, go to file, save as, DST, then press OK, and our next image, I select this picture, just drag and drop this one, okay. Then right click, create clipping mask, this one is converted, and go to blending option. First I am going to filter, distort and select displace, then press OK. Okay, this one is displaced, and now I am going to select blending mode, and this time I am going with this multicolor. Okay, this one is done, and simply right click and go to blending option, hold alt key, okay. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.